Hello captains, welcome back. So today we are doing the part 3 of the model unboxing. So if you remember, in part 1 we unboxed the Iraqi Queen, part 2 was the Iran Air A321, and here we have another A321. This one is from Turkish Airlines, and it also had a 5-star review. Now I consider Turkish a European airline, okay, not an Asian one, and I wanted Turkish Airlines for a long time. This is in the special Widen Your World livery. But yeah, nice box. Wow, I like this. At the back you can see it's the original Turkish branding. So it's like, it has the official brand of Turkish Airlines on it. This nose gear is better. This model is way better. So I caught like 3 or 4 Turkish Airlines planes last time I was at Manchester airport, but I never flew with them. But yeah, as I said, this is in the special livery. Wow, amazing. Discovered the potential, I think it's called, this livery. Right there. Cockpit windows, nose, pitot tubes, Star Alliance logo, the name of the plane, which is Finike, and on boarding door, nose gear, also the last 2 letters of the registration there on the nose gear door. Turkey titles, Turkish Airlines, L2 door. I'm not sure what's this little thing under the door. Is that for like the emergency slide or something, possibly? Discovered the potential, Turkish flag on the engine as well. Discovered the potential, great detail once again. Turkish Airlines on the winglet here. Wow, look at this livery. This is amazing. It kind of looks like the winter livery, kind of, that they would make in the winter time. But yeah, very nice. All this blue and detail, registration, Tango Charlie Dash Juliet Romeo Golf. Awesome livery. One of the best I have, I think. One of the best liveries. Here, nose gear door. All the detail pretty much the same as on the Iran Air. Hole for the stand. Antenna. Once again, the amazing delivery. So I recommended this model a lot. I know this is a quick review, but yeah, as you can see, this landing gear is much better compared to my the Iran Air one. Oh, this Iran Air has winglets, I noticed as well. This is the Iran Air, and this is the Turkish. Just look, this one is a little to the side. Iran Air. Oh yeah, amazing. I recommend this. Comment below if you ever flew with Turkish Airlines. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.